Hey guys, how are we doing? It's Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. Today we're going to be diving straight into the Bitcoin USD chart on the daily, looking at a bit of TA on that, and then we're going to talk about a few things to do with XRP, potentially something Warren Buffett's doing with XRP and RippleNet, and then a statement from the Treasury and Janet Yellen to do with capital gains tax. But we'll get into that in a second, but we'll dive straight in with the TA here. So as I said, we're looking at Bitcoin USD here. And what did I say when we were up here about on Friday? We were looking to have some kind of retracement consolidation. And what area did I say that we were going to be landing on? 59,570. And lo and behold, we've bounced off $59,570. Don't want to say I told you so, but it's there with a nice tweezer bottom formation with a green engulfing candle so far today. If we get this daily close above the lighter resistance level here, that's a nice reversal trend painted in there for me. There is a potential to see a pattern, something like this. It's called a W double bottom. We could come down and see this double tested 59,400 as support, but you could claim that this bang is the W bottom there, and out we come from this sort of area that we've already double tested, this support level that I have drawn in for you there. So anyone who did listen to the 59,000, I did say that that would be a key level of support, and the reason I found that is because of this previous resistance there, now flipped into a support level. And as you can see, there's loads of like root hook candles in and around this level. Normally means there's a lot of buying or selling action around there. So I hope some of you managed to scoop up some cheap Bitcoin. Doesn't mean the correction has finished. As I said, you could be seeing an ABC correction. If I can find my Elliott waves, I can show you what I mean by that. Where are we? So there, like this. You could come down again, or you could go a little bit further. So that would be something like an ABC correction down to 786. But I personally do think that this is a strong enough support level, the 59,400, to be held. And that's my personal speculation, and that's why I called that out the other day. So we want to see some continuation here from Bitcoin. If we do break back above this level here and this top of previous all-time high of 66,900, I think we could see that now we've had this consolidation. As you can see in the last few weeks when we've had these daily push-ups, few days to consolidate and daily push-up, bit of consolidation, push-up, consolidation, push-up, consolidation. Now we're ready for the next push-up, in my opinion. We could also see Bitcoin slowly push up, like less than a few percent a day. We've got a nice 3% day here for Bitcoin. That means it's taking up most of the market cap, or it looks to be sucking in quite a lot of what's going on today. You can tell that by the total altcoin market cap only being up only 1.4% and the total crypto market cap being up 2.19%. So there's definitely some Bitcoin dominance being stolen back today. We need a day where Bitcoin slows down, and then you might see the altcoins start to take a big push. And I think, in particular, XRP is looking ready for and primed for a breakout. This is on the daily. We've had this decrease in volume with a descending pattern. Does normally lead to a reversal. We're also bouncing off the 50 on the RSI, and I'll take you into the weekly too. I've been looking at that as well. It's literally exactly the same there. As you can see, this high volume. We get high volume spike. We break up. And then we come down and consolidate, and the volume drops, and then we're looking for the next break up. And that's basically where we are. When that comes, it seems like it could be just around the corner. No one knows exactly for sure when this is going to break, but it can't be too far away, in my personal opinion. Remember, not financial advice. I showed you the fractals on Friday, and that looks to be completing within the next day or two. So I think any time between now and maybe Wednesday, we could see a big push up here for XRP. It looks like Algorand's moving pretty well today. Needs to be breaking above this 194 sort of level before we can, and a candle close above there before I can get super bullish on it. And let's have a quick look at the crypto, total crypto market cap to see what's going on. So we came down over the weekend and double tested the 50-day moving average, and we look to have taken a bounce off that. But again, we're struggling on a previous resistance level here. We just need to break above that, and then we're again attacking all-time highs. We are in price discovery mode, so let's see what happened. I know we have dipped down a bit, but we are still looking to go onwards and upwards from here. And the total altcoin market cap again has just managed to get above its all-time high with the daily candle close above the all-time high yesterday. Could we see a push and a daily candle close higher than yesterday for today? Obviously signaling a continuation. Now let's get into some of the XRP news. I don't know if there's too much more that I wanted to cover. Graph looks like it's popping off. See what the DXY is doing. The DXY is actually up today. We don't really want the DXY to have a daily close above this resistance level. It's just sort of bouncing between the 50 and the 200, but this does look like a downwards pattern for me now. But anyway, let's get straight into the news. So, Nigeria to launch digital currency on Monday, which is obviously today. Let's have a look into this article. Nigeria to launch Naira, is that how it's pronounced? Digital currency. Africa's biggest economy will adapt to central bank digital currency as it moves to tap into the local popularity of crypto and virtual money. The launch of the Naira is a culmination of several years of research by the Central Bank of Nigeria, the bank said in a statement on its Facebook page. So we could be seeing one of Africa's leading economies today launching digital currency. I think this is a good precursor of what's to come, especially in the African regions. I think it will bring a lot more facility for payments to those over there, as a lot of people are unbanked in those regions. I think there's speculation of about 1.8 billion people worldwide do not have a bank account, but of those, 900 million plus have a mobile phone. So that could bring an extra like 900 million people instantly into the banking system or the financial system, should we be able to provide the rails for them to participate. Then this was something that I found very interesting. James Rule XRP, who's famously done these interviews with people from Valhall Capital who have called out XRP for like being between $10,000 and $35,000 a coin, and then in this recent interview they talk about how they're looking to do a buyback with the Fed. The managing director of Valhall Capital today, 17 hours ago, tweeted, "It's all done. Congratulations to all." Definitely something to keep your eyes on. I'd like to know your guys' opinion on this. I'm not really sure what is going on here. I would like some more information from them. That is literally all he tweeted. It's a bit of a strange one, to be completely honest. So who knows? Who knows? We'll see. And he's also retweeted this. The buyback would only be good for the US government. Once they give you 10,000 worthless dollars for one XRP, inflation would be so high they would have to switch to a new dollar CBDC fake money, and the worth they gave you would be zero. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. I think there's a lot of speculation behind this, but it's just a bit of an odd story. It's just a bit of an odd story, for sure. Definitely something to keep your eyes on. And then we have this. Warren Buffett, massive backing into RippleNet Bank. And he talks specifically about a Latin America neobank, the largest financial technology in Latin America, that Warren Buffett has invested $500 million into. It's a Brazilian bank, and it's Berkshire Hathaway who have invested into it, obviously not necessarily just Warren Buffett. The new bank is a RippleNet partner. Specifically, the new bank and RippleNet partnership pretty much came right out at the same time Warren Buffett was sending funding and money to them. What do we think is going on there, guys? I'd like to know your opinion on that. I did always say that I thought Latin America would be some of the first movers in the crypto space, and then obviously we saw the Bitcoin adoption from El Salvador. Then you got places like Panama, Paraguay, Argentina, and now Brazil, all with heavy links into the cryptocurrency space. And then one little video that I wanted to leave you with today before we finish this video is this from Janet Yellen. I think this is absolutely insane. I don't know how they can even propose this, to be completely honest, but they are looking to impose a capital gains tax on unrealized gains. So I'll let you watch this video, and I'll probably end this YouTube video here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Until then, peace up, A-Town down. Thank you for watching.
Under consideration is a proposal that Senator Wyden and the Senate Finance Committee have been looking at that would impose a tax on unrealized capital gains on liquid assets held by extremely wealthy individuals, billionaires. I wouldn't call that a wealth tax, but it would help get at capital gains, which are an extraordinarily large part of the incomes of the wealthiest individuals. And right now, escape taxation until they're realized, and often they're unrealized and at death, benefit from so-called step-up of basis. So it's not a wealth tax, but a tax on unrealized capital gains of exceptionally wealthy individuals.